students. Here we are going to start with reading comprehension. Comprehension is something that we are very much familiar with since our school days. We always have seen an unseen passage in our question papers. So here again we are going to revise the same topic, comprehension. Now, how can it be defined? Reading comprehension is defined as the level of understanding of a text or message. So, the level of understanding, it is there. This understanding comes from the interaction between the words that are written and how they trigger knowledge outside the text message. So the interaction between the words, the passage is already given. It is a written passage. So how the understanding will happen? We have to see the words, those are written, and whatever we know, we have to relate it with it. Then the interaction and the understanding will take place. Proficient reading depends on the ability to recognize words quickly and effortlessly. Sometimes we are able to recognize the words and sometimes we are unable to. So it depends on the reading, how we read. Because first we need to read the passage before answering the questions. Because while reading the passage, we will understand, and then looking at the questions, the answer will automatically flash up in our mind. Reading research has demonstrated that readers do not simply perceive the meaning that is in a text. See, whenever we read, we do not see whatever is in the text. We always relate it to the outer world. Sometimes while reading, we move to some other world. Why this happens? Because we keep on relating to our own world. In fact, expert readers co-construct meaning with a text. The research base shows that reading is a transaction in which the reader brings purposes and life experiences to bear to converse with the text. This meeting of the reader and the text results in the meaning, that is comprehension. Comprehension is understanding actually. That's why this meeting of the reader and the text, it is kind of a meeting, right? We are reading the text, results in the meaning, that is comprehension. Comprehension always attends to what is coded or written in the text. It also depends upon the reader's background experiences, purposes, feelings and needs of the moment. Of course, I have already told you that we always keep on relating to the outer world, and it depends on our personal experiences, because I will think the way I have I have had my exposures, right? So it is said that's why the reader's background experiences, purposes, feelings and needs of the moment. That's why we can read the same book or story twice and it will have very different meanings for us. It differs person to person. Okay?